Now on to money transactions. There are two ways of entering data into the program. One is direct from the bank statement or statements from your credit card company. And secondly is a manual way of entering the data one line at a time. But I think to start off, we'll have a look at the quickest way of adding data, and that is to import a bank statement. And as I say, it can be your credit card statement as well. So we go down to Money Transactions, Import a Bank Statement. Right, now the CSV file to be uploaded. So we'll select the file, which bank statement .csv. Now, how many money columns are there? Now, in this case, there are two. Okay, but it can quite possibly be one, so you have to adjust that accordingly. Now, which column contains the date? In our CSV file, it is column 1. And which one contains the payments? Well, it's in column 3. And which column contains the receipts? That is in column 4. And the reference is in column 2. Now, we need to select the bank account that it's going to be associated with. So we click on, say, bank account number 1, and we import the transactions. Now, that has produced us this list of all of those items that were in the CSV file. Now, there are a number of buttons on the top. The first one is importing the selected items but with no ledger details. You have to do that manually outside of this particular screen. That may happen if you've got a particular payment or a receipt that has multiple items or general ledger items attached to it. You can also delete selected items. So it's quite possible, say on a credit card statement, there might be some personal things and you don't want them to be part of the actual accounting program, so you can delete them. And the third button is importing the selected items but with a single ledger code, and that's what makes this now very, very efficient, very quick. Now, to select items, you have to put a tick in that box. So let's have a look. I'll just say all the income items, we'll say they are the same. Okay, so you can go through, collect all of those income items. So we've got, what, about just over half a dozen of them. Well, actually we'll have a few more here. So we'll say that one and that one. Now they're all income items. So we can say, yes, it was sales of labour or sales of material, whatever. So I'll select that item and we go back to this list and import, and bingo. Now all the receipts have gone, they've been recorded within the program, and now you're left with others. So you can either, again, go to, say, accounting, ACC, accounting fees, and just click there, and that one's now gone. Transfer to loan. So there was two there, so you can highlight those, and we'll see loan on equipment. Well, we'll say it was loan on equipment. It's the only one we've got here, and again, import selected, and now they're gone. And so motor vehicle fuel, and so if we go down and look for motor vehicle, motor expenses, okay, but we also know that that is a motor vehicle expense, so is that one. And so then we click on there and boom, they're gone. So now, oh, actually we forgot that one, the license. So click on there again, because we're still on motor vehicle expenses. Now we go to repairs. So you can see that this method is very efficient and very quick. And likewise insurance. If we type in insurance, sorry, and that's the only insurance one, yes, we can do that one. And the last two being purchases, we go to purchases, materials, and do that, and bingo, they're all gone. So we've just imported our bank statement and allocated it to the general ledger account. So to have a look at those items, we go to record income and expenses, bank account 1, and there you see all of those items are there now. For instance, with the income, if you click on this little icon there, it shows you what the general ledger allocations were. So obviously credit income, debit the bank, and also credit the GST control account. So you can see all of those are done in super quick time, and you move on and do other things. So that is how we do that.